On this video, we're back on the Transit Connect and it's heaters this time. And as you can see from my breath, it's very cold. So we need to diagnose the problem and fix it. Here we go. Step 1, let's check the fuses. Pop the bonnet using your key. Once you've got the bonnet open, locate the fuse box. Unclip and open the fuse box, and we need to be checking for broken fuses. In my case, no blown fuses. Check those, they're all okay. Step 2, open the passenger door. Inside you will find the glove box. We need to open the glove box, making sure that the glove box is empty. We then push on the tabs either side, that then drops down the glove box, at which point we can pull the glove box out. Behind the glove box is the internal fuses. Now I've checked all the internal fuses again and there was no broken fuses, so in this case, not the issue. Step 3, we need to now remove this cover. So you'll see these screws, plastic clips. Use a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew it gently because it's made out of plastic and it will snap. Once you've got it out as far as it'll go, give it a bit of a wiggle and pull it out. Repeat on all the rest. I've already pre-pulled out these and pulled down the cover. So I'll move the cover out of the way, and underneath here you'll find your fan motor. So we want to check, is there voltage coming into the fan motor? So we will disconnect, press the tab, give it a wiggle, and out she comes. You've got 2 terminals there, positive, negative, or something similar. So we're going to get the test meter out now. So with the ignition now turned on, we can turn the fan on. We can now check if we've got any voltage coming through. And how you do this, you need an earth on the vehicle, so black to negative to an earth. Now we've got lots of steel structure in here, so we can hold the negative to the steel. And then we want the positive against the green and amber or green and orange wire going in that terminal, and that's our positive line, so we can see if there's any voltage coming through. I did check the voltage. Sadly I didn't make a recording of it. There was 12 volts coming through on the meter, which was great. That then proved that the motor was faulty. I'm also renewing the resistor, which is located up and behind the blower, so you need to take the blower out and then get up behind the blower to get the resistor. Now that I've got everything out, we've got a new blower in place of the old blower, got a new resistor in place of the old resistor. So the blower $26.99, new resistor $11.99 off the old Amazon from Autodoc EU. I'll put a link to that in the comments section. First thing we're going to replace is the fan resistor. So what the fan resistor is doing is telling the fan what speed you want it at. So that slots up into there. Push the top in first, and then push the bottom until it clicks. And we've got a Phillips screw there holding it in. Now that that's done, we can put the blower motor in. We're going to slot it up, make sure everything fits securely, and then use the 3 screws that we used to take the old one out to screw it into position. Once that's done, we can plug it all in. Okay, everything's mounted. Let's plug in. Make sure it clicks into place. Let's give it a whirl. Ignition is on. Oh yes. Turn the speeds. 3, 4. Excellent. And it's done. And I know that I didn't test the fan resistor, but before the blower stopped working, I did lose speed 2, which is now working, and speed 4, and now I have all speeds, and that's it done. And I would approximate that that took me 20 minutes. Now, although the replacement's done and we're all working, I still do need to replace all my components, so this needs to go back up. I need to put my clips back in. Just put one in there, one in there. Got some more to do down underneath, and then I can put my glove box back in, and we're finished. So thanks for watching.